Hey everyone, it's Megan with CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we are going to be setting up my traveler's notebook for my work planner for 2024. Alright everyone, so I've actually already decided that when I was setting up my Hobonichi weeks, I needed a planner for 2024 for my work planner. So at the current time, this is what I'm going to be using. I haven't decided if I'm going to stick with this or not. It's going to depend on how my job flows throughout 2024 because there's some good things that are happening, and anyway, so for the contents of the planner, we're going to be using some of these items. You may have seen some of these in some hauls, and then some of these have been for a while. So I've got some stickers from ReddHeadStickers. These are antisocial human. Of course, your opinion matters, just not to me. I don't know. Google it. Then we have this from Sweet Tea Plans, Emotionally Exhausted. Please go away. Then we have my Megan Note Luna Girl from Shine Sticker Studio. And then these are stickers that I've had in my planner for a while. We have our Aquariel Designs monthly stickers, and then some overtime stickers from Planner Kate. Then I have some Disney themed freebies from No White Space stickers. And then this is something that I purchased from Happy Scrappy. It is a pocket folder for things. So for my actual planner, this is a traveler's notebook cover that I've had for a very, very long time. And I had this attached onto my planner just for so long. So I decided to just go ahead and go with it and use this because I love the cover and I think it's beautiful. So this is what I've done so far. All of these items were actually in my previous work planner and I took them out. These are little die cut stickers. So these came from an Etsy shop that I can't remember the name for. These two are actually from a local shop on Etsy that is familiar to me. She is somebody that I used to work with on my college program and I loved these so much. And then this is from No White Space stickers. And I believe I added some more on the back. Yes, this is also from No White Space stickers. And then this is from a guest that gave me this at work. And then this is from the Jolly Factory. So I've got two inserts here. This one is with the little elastic bands that come with the cover. And then we've got another one. So what I'm actually going to do eventually is just cover this up with something. I don't know what I'm going to use it for, but I've got that. And then I have the notebook ready to go. I think I'm just going to just go with how I want to set this up. I don't quite know what I'm going to do with it, but we'll figure that out when the time comes. But what we're going to do is we're going to decorate the planner. So this pocket folder, I think, is actually going to go in here to hold all of my stickers. So we're going to put these in here because they're Disney themed. Maybe this will not fit in here. My thought process has gone into the trash. All right. So we are going to keep that there, and we are going to keep this in here. Actually, I want this to be shown because this is cuter. Okay, we've got our Disney, and then, okay, maybe I should decorate it. I'm thinking I should cover it up with something. What should we use, guys? Okay, I think I'm going to use this pink insert that came from Happy Scrappy because I think this will be fun to have on my cover because I love pink. So I've got to figure out some washi that I can use to cover up the top bits. And I think we're just going to go with my black grid washi because that would be the easiest. So this is actually a cover this whole thing, my mom made. We made traveler's notebooks, several years ago when I was going to a summer camp with my church. So we made traveler's notebooks together for memory keeping and things. I still have that notebook, actually, now that I think about it. But we did that just to have as like just a fun thing for us. And my mom has made traveler's notebooks by hand for a while, and I thought this would be fun to create. I think I'm going to use one for the weekly and daily plans, and then one for notes. That seems like a smart choice. I don't know though, but we'll figure that out later after I'm done setting this up. I don't want too much overhang here. Probably should have thought about that when I was ripping the tape, but it's too late now. So the reason why I'm showing you what my setup is going to be for my work planner, because I'm not going to show after the pens, kind of like in my Hobonichi cousin for my health and wellness. I'm not going to show after the pens, and I don't know what specifically I'm going to use this for. So that is my thought behind my work planner, because I don't ever really show my work planner. I had a mini horizontal for 2024, and it worked out really well. I just, you know, it's one of those things where you've got to figure out what you want to do with it. Okay, now we're going to make, you know what would have been smarter? If I would have just rebound it, but I'm not smart. So yeah, okay. So let's go ahead and put this on the cover so we can get this on. We are going to cover up we're going to decorate the cover is what I wanted to say. Words are really hard today for some reason. Okay, obviously we've got to have me. I had another one. Where did the other one go? Oh, there it is. Okay, we need to take that off for a second so I can figure out where I want these to go. Ooh, I like the Google, I don't know, Google it one. Right, that looks like a fun cover. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Officially obsessed with this. Honestly, it's so fun and so cute. So let me put this back on the string. Okay, so what I'm probably going to do is I will most likely cover this one up with another color. Probably just the front. I'll obviously do the back, but I probably won't decorate the back. For this, I definitely think I'm going to decorate the back, just not today. I don't know if I'm going to ever decorate it with you guys, but I don't know. I'm not quite sure what to do. I have a lot of ideas, guys, a lot of them, and I just don't know. Yes, what I'm planning on doing for this is I am planning on having this as my work journal. So, you know, I'm thinking of doing, you know, an introduction page here, and then having the following pages have like a spread for January. And then because I don't work every single, like, my hours are different every single day. So I'm thinking what I will do is have each page as like my journal, my work journal notes, which is why I am not going to put tabs in or anything like that, because I don't know if I'm going to need more than one page or what it's going to have. So that's why I'm thinking of definitely having a monthly calendar so I can have like my work schedule on there and things like that. But this is my work planner for 2024. I really love how this looks. I think it's super, super fun and cute. And I'm really glad that I was able to use all of these stickers because, like, you might as well use them. You have them, might as well use them, right? So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already so you are notified when I do post new videos. And keep an eye out either here or on my Instagram. I will be posting monthly setups. So keep an eye out for that because I won't be sharing after the pens, but I will share like before the pens and setups and things like that so you guys can see how I plan on using this planner. I really, really love this. I think it's so fun and so me and perfect for my vibes when I am working. Obviously, I don't say these to people, but I think them. And I feel like we all do at some point in our work day. You know, I feel like it's not just me. So that is it for this video. I really, really, once again, hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Tell me what you liked about this video and keep an eye out for more setups coming very, very soon for my different planners and my 2024 planner lineup. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I truly hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, craft on. Bye, guys.